Since this meter box won't be grounded, it'll be connected to the ground over here in the breaker box. I need to remove this tab and reconnect this screw. These plastic insulation bushings will prevent the sheathing on the cord from getting damaged. Good evening, it's Thursday, August 19th, and I rented this guy from Home Depot. I've got to drill at least one hole through the cinder block and the brick out to my load center. It's just gonna be one of the best paths to get electricity inside. I'm gonna try to do two, but the second one's gonna be harder to get to. My neighbor Chris was super awesome, let me borrow an extension cord because I don't have any power here right now. And this guy will take a little bit of juice, so let's see how this goes. Well, it sure got dark on me, and I gave Chris his extension cord back, but what you can see here, probably in not the best detail, is this hole that I drilled. I had to rent the impact hammer drill from Home Depot. It was 80 bucks for that hole, but I'm glad I did it. It's gonna make getting electrical in here 100 times easier. The rough plan for right now is to use this conduit hole to run things down easily into the basement. For the stuff on the first level, I'll have a second conduit coming up through the roof here, and that should be just about perfect for all the upstairs stuff, and that'll split things really evenly between the two levels. I know you're not supposed to put 100% of, upstairs on one and downstairs on the other in case you lose power to one area. The whole floor will be dark, but whatever. I think it's what I'm gonna do. Just because logistically it makes the most sense and I know how to work a flashlight. So anyways, that's all I want to talk about there. I will see you tomorrow morning to finish up the grounding rods. Good afternoon. It is the 21st of August, a Saturday, and today I'm going to be wrapping up all of the service entrance electrical work, mainly installing the ground rods. Well, they're already installed, but I need to hook them up to the system, and then I need to bond everything else, like my copper pipes, to the main grounding system. Also, I need to add an inter-system bonding terminal so things like cable can easily connect to my system. And last but not least, I need to install some conduits, a couple going up into the roof for all of the upstairs electrical. And then I need to seal off the conduits going through the brick and through the cinder block that will supply the basement with all of its electrical. So I'm going to take you outside and show you what we're doing on the grounding rods first. As you can see, it's raining, so I've stopped my electrical work for a minute. But it's kind of nice that it's raining right now because it gives me a chance to double check my skylight seals. Check this out. It's not a great view on the phone here, but anytime it rains, I check these and see if I can see any leaks whatsoever. And so far, things look bone dry, so that is good. Good morning. It's Sunday, the 23rd of August. I'm only going to be here about an hour today, and then Charlie and I are going to head to the mountains. This Wednesday, the 25th, he moves to Ireland, so I will officially be without a roommate, and I'll only have about a month and 2 weeks left on my lease at my apartment. So I'll be doing some basement living, I think, for a little bit. Anyways, I ran out of grounding rod clamps, or rather, the one that I had was too small, so I need to finish hooking up my grounding rods, run one conduit up into the roof, just so that my load center's all closed up and protected from the weather. I'll put the panel, or the faceplate on that, whatever you call it, and at that point, I'll head out of here. On Monday, tomorrow the 23rd, Excel's gonna come and hook back up my electricity so that when I'm back here on Tuesday, I'll be able to start running branch circuits and things because I'll have electricity again. That'll be really nice. So I'm gonna get these things hooked up and get out of here. Panel covers back on. Emergency disconnect sticker in place. And with that, this is officially ready to be hooked up.